Morning of day 4, we went back to Terrace Point Cafe since it's in our hotel, and it's honestly just so easy. You just go down the elevator and you're right there. I got the vegan French toast today to kind of mix it up, and I got some skillet potatoes with that. They did have to prepare them vegan. I made sure I noted that to the server. So if you're ever there, make sure you note that to your server if you get a side as well. And it was a gorgeous day, so beautiful and sunny, but not too hot. The French toast itself was lacking a little, like it didn't have cinnamon or something. I don't know. Could have been better, but the potatoes were good. And then Austin got the vegan huevos rancheros with the impossible chorizo, because that's his jam. So it is Wednesday? It's Wednesday, right? We are about to go walk around Caesar's Palace, and here's my outfit of the day. This J. Crew cinched waist dress. This is current season. I think they're still in stock. I will link to it. And then, of course, my handy dandy Vans, which I got a smudge on that one. I'll have to clean that when I get home. And my Stella McCartney bag. I switched to my Smith sunglasses for today. And we are heading out. Here is the outfit of the night. This dress, this is from last year, so they definitely don't have this still in store. And my purse, shoes, because we'll probably be doing walking. Little headband. And we are heading out to vegan sushi. So, check in there. So we went to a place called, I think it's called Chikyu. It's a completely vegan sushi restaurant, which is amazing. We got the miso soup and the monkey flower roll. And then this was the snapdragon roll, which the woman next to us recommended. And then the final one, the desert gold roll. And every single roll was amazing. I don't know how I'm going to live my life without this food because it was the best food I've ever eaten. For dessert, we got the sorbet, and it was delicious. I only had a few bites. Austin had most of it, but it was really, really good. And it had a gelée on top that was really good too. Really nice. went to the Cirque du Soleil show, which was amazing. And then we popped over to the Vanderpump Garden. I got the Puff the Magic Dragon drink, and Lisa was there. Oh my God. First of all, okay, let's rewind. Our cab driver on the way to the sushi place was driving really crazy, and I thought I was gonna die. Not really, but it did make me car sick. That guy was insane. Sushi place was amazing. That is a must go if you're in Las Vegas and vegan. It's so good. It was the best sushi I've ever had in my life, and I've already began to contemplate how I'm gonna live my life without it. Then we get over to the MGM. Was really, really good. Really great show. Definitely recommend that. If you could be in like the upper sort of area, but like the front row, that's where we were. That was a great spot to see everything on all sides that's happening. Really good. And then we were walking back, and on a whim I'm like, let's go to the Vanderpump Cocktail Garden. Lisa Vanderpump was there! She was there. I didn't whip out my camera to film her because like I didn't want to be a creeper. She was there. Ken was there. One of the lap dogs was there. Guillermo was there. Peter was there, not with them at their table. Peter was like with friends at a different booth towards the bar. Oh my God. It was like, oh my God, they're all here in real life. Peter looks exactly how you would imagine. And as Austin pointed out, always has the buttons undone at the top of his shirt. Lisa looks better in person. She's gorgeous. Ken looks older in person. Bless his heart, he looks disheveled. Oh my God. It was amazing. Ah. And I had the Puff the Magic Dragon drink, which was really good. I had 2 of those. And the bartender was like, oh, are you familiar with mezcal? Why would I order a mezcal drink if I wasn't familiar with mezcal? But okay, that was weird. But it was so cool, and the bar itself is really pretty. It's like really designed nicely. What a way to end out the night. It still hasn't processed it all. It was really cool. But yeah, I didn't get pictures or anything. I didn't want to be a creeper. I imagine if I was a famous person and people were just creeping on me, I'd be like, what are they doing? I didn't want to be a creeper. But it was really cool. The drink was really good and just kind of made my night. So it was a great night. I wish I could have showed you guys a little more of the call and like the stage setup, but they had a strict no filming policy, so I couldn't do any of that. But it was a great, great show. Definitely get tickets to that if you are in town. What a night.